Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your settings are safe and you can run commands. First, confirm you've backed up settings. JSON or enabled settings sync so you can restore Explorer later. Next, open Visual Studio Code and press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette. This is where you'll run the disable or uninstall commands. Once done, type View, toggle Explorer to verify its current state, and prepare to remove or hide it through extensions or built-in view controls. Now you'll make the change. To hide Explorer quickly, use the command palette and choose View, toggle Explorer. This is reversible and fast. If Explorer comes from an extension, open the extension's view, search the extension, and choose Disable or Uninstall. This removes the added Explorer. For a permanent built-in change, open Settings, JSON, and remove or adjust the workbench. View, Explorer entry, or move it to another container. Make sure to save and reload the window so the UI updates correctly. Finish by reloading the window with Ctrl+R so VS Code rebuilds the view layout. Make sure the Explorer is gone. If not, double-check extensions and settings. JSON for remaining entries. If you removed Explorer by mistake, restore your backed up settings. JSON or reinstall the extension to recover it. If Explorer persists or errors occur, open Help Toggle Developer Tools and inspect the console for errors. That log helps pinpoint lingering contributions or setting conflicts. Use it to reverse the exact change that's blocking removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.